Let's make no espresso machine mocha frap. Haluin nyo lang po yung 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk it until maging whipped cream yung texture. Lagyan ng 2 sticks of instant coffee yung hot water and then 4 tablespoon of hot cocoa powder. Sweetened na po tong gamit ko kaya wala ng sugar yan. Lagyan nyo na po ng yellow yung blender nyo and then ihalo nyo yung coffee chocolate mixture and then 1/2 cup of milk. Mga 2 cups po yung nagawa ko ditong mocha frap. Kaso nabitin yung whipped cream ko. Gawa na lang ulit kayo. And then, lagyan nyo ng chocolate syrup. Kung gusto nyo chocolate syrup. Ito, Hershey's po yung gamit ko. Diba? Ang dali lang. Follow for more weekly recipes.